Not everyone has a desire to cook, but there is always a birthday, party, or family get-together that requires a delicious dessert. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a yummy dessert that is easy for everyone to make, but delicious enough for everyone to enjoy. I'm going to be showing you the materials needed, the step-by-step instructions, and the results on how to make fudge brownies with a twist. So just follow along and you will make a delicious dessert for all to enjoy. To learn how to make these delicious brownies, we first have to gather our materials. The first step is to gather your materials, which include 1 medium-sized bowl, 1 large bowl, 1 whisk, 1 spoon, preferably wooden, a baking pan, baking spray, a knife or toothpick, and your oven. For ingredients, you will need 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of baking cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of chopped nuts or anything you'd like to put inside, 2/3 cups of vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now that we've gathered all of our ingredients and set them aside, we are now going to start making our easy but delicious brownies. Let's first start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Take your bowl, your large bowl, which I have here, and add the dry ingredients, which includes the flour, which is 1 1/3 cups, the sugar, which is 2 cups, the baking cocoa, which is 3/4 cups, the salt, and the baking powder. Okay, we're going to then mix them with the wooden spoon. Make sure they are combined well. Okay, and set that aside. You're now going to take your medium bowl and add your wet ingredients, which includes 4 eggs, make sure there's no shell inside. When you get your 4 eggs in a bowl, lightly whisk them to beat them before you add anything else. Okay. Then you're going to add your other wet ingredients, including 2/3 cups of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and whisk them together. You're now going to add your wet to your dry, and set this bowl aside. And you're going to mix this together, but make sure do not overmix it. And do not make a mess. This will take some muscle. Now that it's combined well and looks like this, you can grease your baking pan. Grease your baking pan using non-stick cooking spray, which I have here, so your brownies do not stick. Okay, and we're going to Put the brownies evenly into the pan. Make sure to spread them in the pan evenly. Then you can add any type of topping. My oven has preheated to 350 degrees. Now you can add any type of toppings, including pecans, walnuts, or I'm going to add Butterfinger bites. You can put these in the inside or on top. It's whatever you desire. Now that they are finished, you can put them in the oven and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes or until a knife or toothpick is inserted and it comes out clean. Let them cool and enjoy. Now that we have successfully baked some delicious looking brownies, I'm going to leave you with an overview. Remember to first gather your ingredients and your materials in order for not to have to run back and forth to the pantry. Then measure out all of your ingredients and put dry ingredients into one bowl and wet into another, and then combine them. But always remember not to overmix. Lastly, add them to the pan, cook them, and enjoy them with your family and friends. I hope this was helpful and useful for the next time you decide to make a yummy dessert. I have already made some off camera, and I'm going to ask an audience member to come and try one and give us her honest opinion. I'm going to cut her a piece. If you would like to try them, Abby. Very delicious. I'm glad you like them. So that is how to make delicious fudge brownies.